this Flex Seal project that equipment, I guess, that they product, I mean, that they say can do anything. We're gonna give it a shot using DeMar's method here in the DeMar's Factor. We have a tool, a favorite tool. You never want to throw them away. They're because they're your favorite tool. So we're gonna see if this Flex Seal product can take care of this hammer. We're gonna try to rebuild it. And I think we can save ourselves some money. Don't have to fill up the landfill. So just gotta shake it. You gotta make sure the little rattle thing in here works. You hear this? You gotta rattle. Yeah, you gotta get the rattle going. Make sure you got ventilation. I got glasses. You should have safety glasses. I don't have them, but wear them if you're using it. So here we go. You just take this stuff, you spray it on there, and we're just gonna let it settle in and dry. And after about, I'm figuring somewhere between 1,000 and 1,200 times, you'll get it. So that's how you do it. So just don't throw your shit away. Grab the right stuff. Use the DeMar's Factor method, and you'll be good. I'll be back in a little while when we got this thing built up more, and we'll show you how we're progressing. Have a good day.